When did you experience the largest amount of space between you and another person?
A large amount of space physically or like emotionally or all the above.
However you interpret space.
Space.
Because he was saying, so he said communication right off, and then I was talking about care, and when I was taking care of my wife's mother, I missed that my wife's brother was also sick.
Right.
And so my largest amount of space between me and another person was I missed the fact that I was really close with her mother, which I thought I was close with her brother, but clearly missed that because her mother passed away and her brother passed away shortly after that.
No.
So you think I would have, since I was there, so for me the distance was I never even acknowledged at that time. It was hindsight that I could look back and go, I saw the signs, I saw the, and then he was talking about how sometimes we categorize who we care about and we don't even know.
Like the quote that he said is to have a home is not a favor. What does that mean to you? Just like off the top of your head.
So have a home.
Is not a favor.
For me it's like where you are. Like home is very. It's hard to define because like some people feel home is family.
Mm-hmm.
But for me it's like a home is where my friends are. It's because like I have my big family, but like I move out to LA on my own. So my friends are my family.
So what is the phrase to have a home is not a favor? What does that mean to you?
It's not something borrowed. Something, because if you borrow something, it's not yours.
Okay.
You have to give it back eventually.
Right.
So to have a home, the first line to have a home is belongingness. That it's a staple of your life. It's where you know it's where you can return to. So if it's borrowed, then it's not really yours, and it's not even a house. So it contradicts each other.
Yeah.
It should not be a favor. It should not be borrowed. It should not be returned. When someone gives you a home, or once you feel like you belong, it should not be returned, because then it's not even a home.
I mean, personally, I feel like it means that just because you have some place that you call home doesn't mean that it may necessarily feel like home. You have somewhere that maybe society tells you that should be your home, like family or relatives, but
right.
In reality, it's no stranger than like any new place you ever visit.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, no.
Maybe.
Sure.
I don't know. For me personally, home is where I feel comfortable. Right?
Where you feel comfortable.
And for example, I feel comfortable with new experiences. So if I go somewhere that's totally unfamiliar and I don't know where I am, then
you're comfortable.
That feels like home to me.
To me, home is it's not an obligation, Like,
okay.
I think like those who do have somewhere to call home, like it's a good feeling, It's a natural feeling, like you have a home and you feel it, like wherever you go, like or even if you're far from home, you can always go back. You have a place where you can always relay and feel like you're home.
A place to rest.
Yeah.
Be comfortable.
Yeah, and I feel like a lot of the times, like we as humans, we don't know when someone's like being nice to us because it's like genuine, or if it's they feel like like I kind of like, for example, like I know her through him, so I feel like I kind of have to be cool with him. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like sometimes people feel like, are they obligated to be nice to me? Like, like do they feel like they have the need to like welcome me or like host me or as opposed to like someone who like makes you feel like at home naturally.
Cool. So what is the phrase to have a home is not a favor? What does that mean to you?
Have a home is not a favor.
To have a home is not a favor.
Interesting. I don't think I've ever heard that before. I mean, the first way I look at it, like my first interpretation of it, is that like home is like it's not necessarily all positive. You get me? Like having a home is also attachments and things that hold you in certain places, which can be positive in terms of grounding, but also negative in terms of things that come with that.
Being too attached.
Being too attached certain times, you want to, leave the nest and you can't necessarily do that. And also, not everybody comes from a good home necessarily. So when the things you grow up with and the things that you're influenced by can have a negative effect on your life just as it can have a positive effect. This is a first glance.
That's great. That's awesome.
Yeah, no, and it's like that. I feel like the ideas come in a moment. You don't have time to go, okay, here's my palette, I'm gonna do pink, red, yellow, and all that. You're just like, okay, here's an idea I have, I need to get it down.
Yeah.
Were these questions? Were you answering these?
Yeah.
I thought so. I thought I caught one or two.
Oh, we
I just stayed for
Wait,
quickly.
did not even catch that.
Yeah.
I just saw your mouth and like, I don't know exactly that.
Yeah.
Oh no, we
The
all
idea-
really like this.
Because I
But yeah,
cut
no,
out all of the questions from the video, so that you could jump in at any point, and the idea is you don't know which question I'm on, so I'm not literally giving you a direct answer to something. It could be to anything.
Right. No.
So, what do you think about the quote? And I'm sure he told you this already. To have a home is not a favor. What does that mean to you?
To me, it means don't take it for granted. Wherever you're living at is your situation. So, a home to me has always meant, that's why I explained to him, an actual physical place. Yes. So, whether it be a tent or an actual house or a sidewalk or a car. So wherever you're at right then is your home. It's your environment. So whatever you have to go back to at the end of the day, again, if you live in your car, that's your home. That's where your stuff is. That's where you're at. So I don't really think of it as people being around. I think a home is just
A physical place.
Yes.
A place where you're comfortable being at.
Exactly.
A place of rest.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah. Yep. That's what I tell them.
That's awesome. I like that.
Yeah. So for me personally, my home is in Georgia.
Is in Georgia.
Even though I grew up in Illinois, in Springfield, and we lived in Rochester,
Right.
those are no longer my homes. My home now
Is where you presently are.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yep.
I like that. Thank you. I appreciate it. I hope I got most of your face and not half of it.
Right.
What's too late now? It's all gone. It's like lightning in a bottle. You can't get that. Whatever. It's fine. I'm just gonna keep it on the entire time. I'm not even gonna record you. I'm just gonna record